Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to live stream mobile games on TikTok. Now, before we are going to do this one, there are actually two requirements that you are going to have to fulfill. Number one is going to be the number of followers. You need to have about 1,000 followers. In my case, I'm way over that one. And then you need to be 18 years of age, or depending on where you're living, there is an age requirement. Now, once you have satisfied those, you can go ahead and tap the plus sign down here below, and then you're going to allow this one right here, just like so. And then you are going to go over and slide this until you see the live option. And once you are here, you can just select this one right here. This is actually for mobile gaming, and there you go. So from this point forward, I want you to go ahead and add a title. For example, I'm just going to go over and write here live stream, or live stream number 1, just like so. And then you can add a topic down below, so you can click that one, and then you can go ahead and search for the game you are going to play. For example, I'm going to try here Mobile Legends. All right, there you go. And yep, the next thing that you are going to do is just hit the go live button right here, and then you are going to have to do this one on landscape. So you can click this one right here, allow this one, and then as you can see, there's an option for you to open your game. So you can click this one right here, and then it should naturally open the app that you are going to be playing. And yep, that is how you are going to get this done, everybody.